Nandobabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Tubi and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. Last year, na-discover namin ang lugar na to, and for the second time we are here. So this is Ribs and Chops, guys. 888 pesos, full rack rib, 1.5, buy one take one barbecue and chops. If you want to know more, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! So, as soon as you order, syempre doon pa lang po nila lulutuin. So they assure na when it is picked up or delivered to your home, fresh right from the grill po yung mga barbecues natin. So this is, it will all start. Ayan, so right now, mga pork chops po yung mga niluluto natin. Pero earlier, grabe, niluto natin yung mga ano nila, ribs. We also had some stewed barbecue. And I believe ready na yung table natin. So let's go there. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung niluto nila para sa atin. So ayun guys, similar to last year, of course, this is not their usual setup. Hindi po sila dining restaurant, but they do deliver anywhere in Pampanga. Available din po sila for pickup. And ito yung niready nila sa atin for taste testing. So let's start with the ribs. Guys, this is 888 pesos, 1.5 kilograms, full rack. Meron pa tayong additional sauce dyan. It also includes 4 orders ng mashed potato. Now, guys, for their chops, look at this. So this is just 98 pesos, buy one take one. So this is 4, so approximately 200 pesos to. It also comes with the mashed potato, which is this one. Ayan. And then lastly, yung mga barbecue skewers natin, which are this. So again, this is just 98 pesos. Ayan, buy one take one. For example, you want one skewed barbecue and then one pork chop barbecue, pwede naman po yun. So pwede mo silang pagsamahin for just 98 pesos. And then additional mashed potato with gravy na tayo dyan. Let's taste it. So let me start with this one. Of course, this is their kumbaga, main product as well as the best seller dito po. Of course, sauce. It's important. Almost fall off the bone, guys. Wow. Now for this one, again, 98 pesos, buy one take one. I want to dip it here straight from the bowl. And then lastly, of course, you don't want to miss yung kanilang pork chop. So I've tried this one. So na-feature na po natin sila twice already. Isa dito and then dun sa bahay. You gotta try their pork chop, guys. You gotta try their pork chop. Ayan, no? Right. So again, this is their mashed potato. Again, you're gonna try this as well. I mean, it's already free, diba? Kasama naman siya, so might wanna enjoy it as well. Wow. Right. So guys, kung natakam ko kayo dun sa mga pagkain na pinakita ko sa inyo, imagine eating those at the comfort of your home or probably a take-out, no? A corporate meeting, siguro a group dinner. So napakagandang take-out nito, guys, for only 888 pesos for the whole slab ng ribs natin dito. Sobrang sulit na to, guys. No need to go to a fancy restaurant just to enjoy these kinds of premium barbecue meat. So on this section, guys, if you notice, ready for take-out and delivery na to. And this is gonna go to different parts of Pampanga. Pwede siyang pang regalo, pwede siyang pang surprise dinner, or special night out with your special someone. Pwede rin siya. I-deliver po sa inyong bahay. For more information, check out po yung fan page or the number we're gonna be providing below. So if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa mga channels namin, please do so. And stay safe. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye guys.